Hey guys, back out this park here. A little bit of traffic at this park, but this is a trashy park, so I've got the 6-inch coil. I'm gonna hit it with that for a while. Cheers. Penny, a copper one. 1981, so that gives me a good sign. Alright, cheers guys. Yep, just a quarter. That thing was pretty far down there. And with all the nails, she picked it right out. Loving this little coil, man. Loving it. There's so much trash in here and it's ridiculous. But yeah, doing good. Alright, catch you on the next. You're not gonna believe it, guys. If I can get this to focus. Looky there. I got 65. Son of a gun. Truck driver wants some ice cream too. Alright, cheers guys. Hey guys, we're at the 1760 house today. Just dug this thing. I'm not sure what it is. Looks kind of modern. Looks kind of modern to me. I'd say that's chrome plating, so. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. I think this is my biggest pull tab ever, guys. Check that thing out. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, on to the next. Well, that's my welder, guys. And I just have only practiced with it. And so I don't know much about it. I do know you have to have the wire speed and the temperature at the right combination. That's about all I know. And I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. Probably not enough. But, you know, so we got the old shovel back together. We laid down some bead. I haven't cleaned it up yet or anything, but it's ugly. Guarantee it's ugly. It's about as ugly as you want it to get. And I don't even know how to get that cleaned off, other than break it again. If it pretty strong that direction. Yep, that'll do. That'll do for me. Always have a bucket of water when you're welding. You should have the proper clothes on. I don't. And you should use the proper gloves, which I'm not doing. This is not a welding how-to by any means. We'll see how long that bead holds. I don't know. I ain't gotta work, guys. Work for now. Work for me. That's my backup shovel now. But anyway, that was my project. I forget where I got this welder, but I think I got it for $80. This thing don't do too bad, I'm telling you what. I'm pretty pleased with the way it's got me through a few welding projects. I put together a stand for my djembe. I welded together a tripod for the lady at work. And I also welded a few other projects that don't require a lot of super good strong welding, but this will be my first test at how good that first bead took. You know, for a beginner welder, I mean, for anybody, that's just horrible work. I don't care though. I really don't care. Alright guys, that's my adventure for today. It was welding up the shovel. Thanks for coming along. Cheers and happy hunting. Living beside a race car. Yeah, baby, fire that
Here's that motor oil part.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.